Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to fix call recording not working on iPhone iOS 18. So if you try to record outgoing call or incoming call on your iPhone run on latest iOS 18, but you discover that it's not working, then here are the things you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First, you need to know that the call recording feature on iOS 18 is only available for beta users. So if you're running on the latest iOS 18 beta, then you'll be able to download the iOS 18.1 beta 4, which comes with the call recording feature on your iPhone. You can see I'm running on the latest iOS 18.1 beta 4. So while on the software update page, make sure you click on beta update and then select iOS 18 developer beta. So if you select iOS 18 public beta, you discover that the call recording feature is not available yet in the public beta. So you need to be a developer, and after that, download and install the iOS 18.1 beta 4, and once you've done that, go back to the settings, and on the settings page you want to scroll down until you get to apps. Then here locate the phone app on the list of application you have installed on your iPhone. Then scroll down the page until you get to calls, and here there's a feature called call recording. Click on that and go ahead and turn this on. Once turn this on like this, you'll be able to record incoming call or outgoing call on your iPhone when you have any call. To do this, all you just need to do is go ahead and put a call through on your iPhone. So let's say I want to put a call through to my second contact here. Then once you put a call through, wait for the person to pick it just like this. Then you see this call recording icon on your iPhone on iOS 18 like this. Then you see what that says this is going to record your call, and then an audio prompt. And then the moment you say this, then the call record will start working on your iPhone iOS 18. So that is basically how to fix call recording not working on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.